My name is Jeff Pleer. I'm president here at Wausau Container Corporation. So our key services and products is folding cartons relative to retail food packaging for the most part. And we ship coast to coast. Well, I think what makes us unique insofar as the folding carton industry is the fact that we have a number of platforms, press platforms that we can offer to our customer, whether that be sheet-fed lithography, mid-web flexo, narrow-web flexo, as well as digital. So we're able to take care of them insofar as hundreds of cartons on up to millions of cartons.
My name is Amy Pleer, and I'm a co-founder and co-owner of Wausau Container Corporation. One of my responsibilities was to source a new ERP system. We had several operational challenges, and one of them being that we did not have an automated scheduling system. So we had a physical scheduling board, but it only went out for 2 weeks. So as our lead times have extended, especially during the pandemic, we didn't have a way of really being able to track where our jobs were, where they were supposed to be, and give our customers accurate have-ready dates. Another challenge that we had was in our estimating program. We were using multiple spreadsheets in order to calculate those estimates. And we were using Word for creating the quotations. So not exactly an efficient system. In addition, we wanted something that would integrate fully with our accounting system, which we use Microsoft Dynamics GP for accounting. That's something that we've used for the last 32 years and it has scaled with us. So we were interested in finding a solution that was scalable, that was industry specific, and that would meet not only our needs, but the needs of our customers. So the reason that we chose HiFlow, there were multiple reasons. First of all, being a member of the Independent Carton Group, which is an organization of many independent carton companies around the United States as well as Canada, one of the things that I heard when I asked them about their ERP system was make sure that you have solid support after the sale. And the other thing that I heard was that many of these companies were being purchased by private equity, and then the support really suffered as a result of that purchase. So one of the things that appealed to me about HiFlow is that it's privately owned, it's been in business for nearly 30 years. It was offering an industry-specific product that we were looking for that would require minimal customization. They indicated that they would be able to configure it in a way that would meet our needs. And I can say that they definitely have done that. Some of the specific features that we were very interested in is a customer portal. One of our largest customers, this was a customer requirement that we provide this. And this is something that our legacy system, we were able to provide. The onboarding process of implementing HiFlow solutions for us actually went very well. Right from the beginning, we were assigned 2 project managers with folding carton implementation experience. So they were very well versed in not only folding carton, but also in their software. They also used the SAP methodology of implementation, which means that everything was done through teams. They used Gantt charts to track all of the progress and to make assignments of who needed to do what. So there was a high degree of accountability during the whole process, which was very helpful in moving things forward. I took 6 months to research the number of ERP softwares on the market, and we made the decision at the end of the year of 2022 to go with HiFlow. We've seen several operational improvements since we've implemented HiFlow. One being with the automated scheduling system. It's so much easier to plan production than it was before. We have eyes on what's happening not only this month, but next month as well. So that was very important to us. In addition to that, with the estimating, now everything is in one place. Instead of having Excel spreadsheets and Word documents, we're dealing with one module. In addition to that, we have much better cost controls in place. Having a purchase order system that is integrated with our accounts payable system allows us to keep better track of our purchases. In addition, our warehouse management is great also. We're able to see what we purchased, what we received, what we've issued to each job. So we've seen great efficiencies from HiFlow. I can share several examples where HiFlow has made a significant difference for us. Establishing KPIs has been much easier with HiFlow. Being able to see performance, not only by machine, but by operator, has been a game changer. And has really opened the eyes of our operators to know that we are helping them to succeed and to do better in their job. Additionally, Power BI has provided us with many reports that have been helpful to us. On-time and in-full reports, being able to see consumption comparison reports so we can catch errors right away, and also job costing reports that we're able to get in analytics has been extremely helpful for us in tracking our profitability and productivity. With regard to customization and scalability, we did a number of things. With customization, and one of the things that I liked about HiFlow is that they told me right from the beginning that we can configure it in a way that would not require a lot of customization. And that's not the case in many pieces of software. As far as scalability goes, we do believe that HiFlow is something that will grow with us. One of the things that was interesting to me was that they have SCADA monitors that can, and things that can attach to the machines to capture the data in real time from the machines directly to the computers. HiFlow has a product that is a 4.0 industry solution, and that's something that we felt was important, that as we grow and as AI continues to develop, this is a product that will grow with us and expand with technology as it becomes available. So it's really a complex software that can do so many things for our company and gives us just a great overview of what we need to run our business efficiently.
Well, as the CSR manager and scheduling here at Wausau Container, it provides a great outlook for the customer orders and everything throughout the system. Manually, before HiFlow, we had a 2-week look, and HiFlow now provides us with an infinity outlook where, our lead times can go up to 9 weeks. So this helps provide a great delivery timing, board arrival, all of that to keep everything organized, which is the core of customer service. And in the scheduling part of it, it provides an understanding of where are the delays coming from in the plant, where are the delays coming from graphics, scheduling, all of those things. So it's just a one-stop shop as far as organizing the CSR world. So it's been a life-changing system for my team. And then from a manager standpoint, I can also understand the workloads of my staff, and that provides me with balancing their life so they don't get overworked or they're underworked or any of that.
In our old system, I was only able to handle the volume of the board purchasing throughout the day. Now in HiFlow, I'm able to take on the corrugate, which was held by somebody else. So it made me 50% more efficient in my day-to-day tasks. I'm able to see in real time what jobs are in queue and what I have just entered into the system to know what exactly I need to order and when. The Power BI is basically the allocation report that I use on a daily basis. And it gives me real time of where things are at and where things will need to arrive. Showing all the POs and orders in the order that the scheduler has selected. It allowed me to be able to handle a higher level of more jobs on a daily basis.
The HiFlow reporting capability is really critical for us. Just here in the last 2.5 months, we've got 75 million cartons across 13 different processes and about 1,000 different orders that we're trying to keep track of across our production floor. So those reporting functionalities help us really keep track of our efficiencies and our waste.